And around the world we go. Out and round. And on the other side. Round and round. Now, wrote down the boogie. Boogie, boogie. Yay, yay, yay. Wow, Vincent. Wow. Take our favorite part, the boogie shake. Ready, go, boogie. Take it, beat. Yeah, wow. Keep on rolling. Now, Ira, go down one with that. People in the crowd, spread your down. This is the best part. Steady, eh? Arriba! And for the finale. Steady, and let's go! Yeehaw! A round of applause for Sila friend and the joiners as well for the great dance number. Is Sweet.
See cheese celebrating.
We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with the Newfound friends, the South American Sea Lion, Vincent, and Kyla. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land greatly affects our pets in the sea. Sea lions laid in the mammals cannot survive in the tranquil environments. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are stewards of our planet and thus each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all